what's up everybody, Sam here.
See me?
So today in this video we are just going to look at the Redmi K60E.
And don't forget we already have the visual cases. K60 Pro and then Redmi Watch
3.
So
yeah.
if you don't want to miss anything, please don't forget to leave the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell.
Notification bell, yeah?
Yeah. You know, right?
Yeah.
Just click.
Just do it.
Just do it right now.
Let's get started. So in this video we are going to take a quick look at the Redmi K60E, and I personally think it is such an underestimated phone. There are several reasons. First is let's check out its design. Alright, this is the 60E and this is the 60 Pro. This is the 60 Pro. As you can see, the back design almost the same. Have the same feeling, really have the same feeling. I'm not lying. And here the difference we have is the camera module. And moving to this side, the K60 has this side fingerprint scanner, while the 60 Pro it has the in-display, and others basically the same. Both have infrared blaster if that's something you are interested in. And check out the screen, okay, and check out the display. You see the viewing experience. If I didn't tell you which one is the Pro, which one is the 60, you wouldn't know, you wouldn't be able to know like which is which, right? So the viewing experience is the same. And now let me test a little bit more about the camera and the sound, and also the Antutu benchmark. Alright, that is the sound test. To be honest, I didn't hear much difference between the Pro or the K60. And now it's the Antutu. The Dimensity 8200. The Antutu benchmark is 800K. Not bad, right? I noticed the temperature behind the back is lower, it's better than the K60. That's it. Okay, another difference is the K60E doesn't have that wireless charging, but that doesn't make it less worth than the 60 or 60 Pro. In my opinion, it is still one of the best phones, one of the best budget 5G phones in 2023. I really love it. Alright, and now about the camera test. The camera, let's check. It supports up to 10 times of digital zoom. And let me check the video. It supports 4K 30 FPS. Alright, and the front, it supports 1080p 30 FPS. Okay, I will put some samples which were taken by Simi.
Now we are testing the self camera. The detail seems really good. You can see all the pores in my skin, all the ages mark. This is so sad that we are becoming old. Let's check how it reacts against the light. Seems really good, right? Now let's walk a little so we can check the stabilization. And here is Sammy saving the photos because we lost everything.
Yeah, fun.
I recorded Sammy climbing the stairs, jumping, running, everything was so funny, and then we lost everything. Oh, it's so troublesome. Now we are testing the rear camera. Just pointing outside so we can check how it reacts to the light. Not for Oppo because else Xiaomi will be a little unhappy with this video. Anyway, Sammy working because we are hard-working people. We need to work every day, every time, every hour. Let's try to give the zoom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. It will not go to the ultra wide. Then focusing is very fast. Did you like my nails? I did by myself. Wow, let's walk so we can check. The stabilization seems really good, right? A lot of nice Xiaomi products. And let's try to I want to see how is the focus distance. Here. Walk just a little bit more and I think it's okay.
Alright, so that's the video of the K60E.
Yeah, but what do you think about it?
Yeah, just like I said, I think it's a solid one. You know, it's definitely a solid upgrade compared to the K50. You know, got solid camera, performance.
Except has the
wireless charging, but I don't care. You know, I don't use that often either. So yeah.
But we want to know your opinion, so please leave in the comments and don't forget to leave the like, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.